Good afternoon, Standard 10. In the previous video, I was discussing about the chapter Remainder and Factor Theorem. In the last videos, I was discuss about the basic concept of remainder theorem. We had seen how to find the remainder using the long division method and using the remainder theorem method. Especially that is discussed in this chapter. And how to find the remainder using the remainder theorem. That is the easiest method. When in the question it is written that find the remainder, so either you have to find it by long division method or either you have to find the using the remainder theorem method. Now you can see on the screen, so the question is find the remainder when x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. So let fx is equal to x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x plus 1. So we are going to divide this by 2x plus 1 and we are going to find its remainder. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So before finding the remainder, first you can suppose that it is dividend, it is divisor. So find the zeros of divisor. So the zeros of divisor, that is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now substitute this value in this polynomial. Here minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2, here minus 1 by 2. And simplify it, you will get the remainder. Now see. From remainder theorem, remainder is equal to f minus 1 by 2. Instead of x, minus 1 by 2. Minus 8 into minus 1 by 2 plus 4. So the square of minus 1, 1. The square of 2, 4. This minus minus plus. And 2 4s are 8 and 4 1s are 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. And it is 1 by 4. 4 8 is 32 plus 1. That is 33 by 4. And now it is improper fraction. Write your answer in the mixed fraction form. 4 8 is 32. 1 upon by 1 by 4. This is the remainder. In this way we will find the remainder using the remainder theorem method. Now see, this is a little bit different type question. In this question remainder is there. When this polynomial is divided by x minus 2, dividend is there, divisor is there. So remainder is how much? 14. So find the value of k. In this polynomial, one more unknown variable, that is k, is there. This is k. So now first we have to suppose this polynomial, either this is px, fx, gx, whatever. So now we are supposing this one as a px and divided by x minus 2. Find the 0 of this and remainder is equals to 14. Now see, px is equal to 2x cube minus kx square plus 5k minus 3 into x minus 8 and divided by x minus 2. Find the 0 of x minus 2, that is x is equal to 2. So remainder is equal to, it is given how much? 14. So p minus 2. So substitute this value, x is equal to 2 here, 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 here also. So now we are substituting here, here, here. 2 to the power 3, 8, 8 to the 16. 4k, 2 5s are 10k, 2 3s are 6, minus 8 is equal to 14. So 14 is same, minus 8 plus 8 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 plus 16 minus 16. So this side is left, minus 4k plus 10k, that is plus 6k. And 14 plus 8 22 plus 6 26, 26 28, 28 minus 26 12. And this 12 cancelled by 6, 6 2s are 12, that is k is equal to 2. Find a if two polynomial this and this leave the same remainder when divided by x plus 3. So this we can suppose as px and this we can suppose as gx. And now we are going to divide it by x plus 3. First we have to find the 0 of x plus 3. See, the 0 of x plus 3 equate with 0, x is equal to minus 3. Since in the question it is mentioned that, see here, leave the same remainder, it means when this divided by this, remainder is same. It means the remainder of this we are supposing as R1 and the remainder of this we are supposing as R2, and both we can equate because in the question it is given it is same remainder. Now see, since same remainder, R1 is equal to R2, remainder 1 is equal to remainder 2, so P minus 3, G minus 3, instead of X minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, and equate them. The cube of minus 3 minus 27, cube of minus 3, 9 3s are 27, minus 9 minus 27 minus 12, so minus 27 into A minus 27A, 27 minus 9 18, 27 2s are minus 54 minus 12 plus A minus 27 है इधर आके प्लस 27 है 18, 18 this side we are taking 18, minus 54 this side plus 54, minus 12 taking this side plus 12, add them 84 and is equals to 28A. So A is equal to 84 divided by 28, so cancel it by 14, 14 2s are 14 6 are 2 1s are 2, 2 3 are 6, hence the value of A is equal to 3. Now see, in the first problem you have seen the how to find the remainder. In second problem you have seen find how to find the value of k. In third problem you have seen the value of unknown variable but the remainder are same. Now in this question, see what number should be added 3x cube minus 5x square plus 6x, so that when resulting polynomial is divided by x minus 3 the remainder is 8. What number should be added? What we have to add with this polynomial, and after adding that number dividing by x minus 3 it leaves the remainder 8. So this we are first we have to suppose it here. Let the required number added be k. Therefore after adding the adding the required number, polynomial px is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus k is divided by x minus 3. So find the 0 of x minus 3, that is x is equal to 3. So in the question it is given that remainder is equal to 8. P minus 3 is equal to 8. So now substitute this value 3 here, 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 here. The cube of 3, 27 into 3, 81. The square of 3, 9, 9 5s are 45, 6 3s are 18 plus k. K 8 minus 45 taking this side plus 45 plus 81 taking this side minus 81 plus 18 taking this side minus 18. So 45 plus 8, 53, and both will be added with the negative sign. 8 plus 1 9, 8 plus 1 9, and subtract them minus 46. Hence the value of k is equal to minus 46. It means we will add there minus 46. Some more question is in the first exercise this type. It may be instead of what number should be added, it may be what number should be subtracted. So in same way we will try there. Okay, so all of you just try the first exercise from this chapter, and we will solve some more questions based on remainder theorem in the next videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. All the best.